Welcome. So this video is dedicated by mindset of money making. So the thing is matter here how you deserve you what you want to get. It could be money, it could be respect, whatever. So the more you deserve, the more you will get that thing, whatever that is. I you know I set in goals my own that I will make $1,000 from Airdrop, $2,000 from Airdrop, $10,000 from Airdrop, and each of those goals I write in, and if I done that, I believe that I will done those goals. Uh, while I will done those goals, I will tick mark, I will cross those goals, and I will write in another big goals that can I can you know I can prefer to get in the reach. Okay. However, the mindset video about money making from online, it's way harder than offline that you think money making. Okay, you need to have mindset about, you need to deserve more. Okay, nothing coming from nothing. You need to put effort for getting anything. You need to provide value for that, but never quit. Okay, today I wanted to make screen record video about Airdrop, but I not getting any video about that. I look for 30 minutes. I was frustration because after uh, entire day working, now in the night maybe you're seeing the light on the room, and I'm creating YouTube video here, organic, totally mobile phone camera, home, like handmade video. But I don't know what is do YouTube don't push this video, but people, I don't think so about this type of thing. But the mindset is, I say to myself that I never quit. I will join more Airdrop. I will make video more of that. I will show you can do join on Airdrop efficiently, and I'm committed with myself from this video that to you that I will take Airdrop type of thing is seriously. How hard is this to me? I will post efficiently on Telegram. I will join efficiently. I will see their post. What I do usually. Uh, my Airdrop start by 9:30 a.m. in the morning to 12 p.m. Okay, sorry, 12 a.m. like 2 and 30 minutes. Okay, 2 hour and 30 minutes in the night. And now in the after the recording video, I will do 1 hour. Total 3 hour 30 minutes. I do join on Airdrop each day. However, within that day, within that time, I would as much join as I can, and I will try more because entire day is going by working. But doesn't matter, the more work the more you will get freedom. Okay, I like work. Anyhow, this video is just for saying to you, if you want to make money with me, feel free to come into Telegram. Check the description box of this video and comment to share. So check description video that what is Airdrop and testnet already put on there. You can check out that thing. So see you later in the next time. Until that, happy hunting.